Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply get a refund on PlayStation purchases. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would do is the first thing would be simply accessing your PlayStation account, right, and tapping on the settings icon. Other would be directly to go to your Chrome itself, go to the search icon and type in PlayStation support and search it up, PlayStation support page. Once you have searched it, go ahead, tap on this PlayStation support. The first search up kind of interface will open up, right? What you're going to do afterwards, you're simply going to go ahead, tap on this option called PS Store and Refunds. It's just given over there. Once you have tapped on it, you can see what do you need help with. Select the category from below. So what want refunds, right? Go ahead, tap on this refunds option, and now you can see it will show you requesting a PS Store refund. So since we would like to refund, we're going to tap on this requesting a PS, and you're going to go ahead requesting a PS Store refund. Go ahead, refund for games and add-ons, refund for what did you order. So if it's the add-ons, you can tap on it. If it's subscriptions, you can tap on it. If it's pre-orders, you can tap on, and that particular option, it will show you this article. It will show you the options. Tap on this highlighted request refund option again, and now it will take you to this station. You can tap on this contact PlayStation support again, and here you're going to go ahead, simply go ahead, live chat with them, call them, and that is the only way for you to get refund. You directly have to contact PlayStation support itself. So that will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.